Well, good morning. It's me again, Daryl. Out in the shop again today and working on the Electra Glide. Want to put a new trunk seal on this thing because it's just beaten more. So hang around and we'll get right to it. Okay, so like I said, it's beat up. It's been glued, I think, a dozen different times. There's contact cement on there. It looks like, I don't know what that is, silicone or something, or maybe it's the adhesive that was on there. I think it could be original, but it's all crushed and squat, and when I'm riding, I can hear the lid jiggling. So what I'm gonna do is, I got my drill, I got my wire wheel on there, or safety glasses of course, and I'm going to strip off. I already started there to see how hard it is. I went at it with a little piece of sandpaper, heavy grit sandpaper, but it wasn't doing a whole lot. That stuff is on there, glue, cement, whatever it is. We'll bring you in here and we'll take a good look at it. This is what I'm dealing with. Like I pulled this all off. And it's really crispy, hard as a rock, that stuff is. Like it's, yeah, whatever. Anyway, we're going to get down in here. This is the hard stuff, is down in here to get the get the glue out, because I really went to town on that. Let's see what we can do. I'm gonna go slowly. That's what we did. Good, that works nice. My vacuum cleaner in here and some of that up. You can see that really cleaned that out nice. So it's not this edge down here, it's the flat edge here, because when it closes, it's on top of this. Of course, I'm talking with the stupid vacuum cleaner on. So it's not this surface here that I need to clean, it's the one here on this side. Well, I do need to clean this because to make it look better. But yeah, it's here because this, when this closes, this part goes on here. So I'm going to continue on here. We'll get over in this corner. You're looking down there. Oh, Jesus. Okay, so I'll get this all cleaned up all the way around. It's bad over here again. And up around the front there. So I'll get this all cleaned up and then I'll bring you back and we'll get that other seal on. So I've got some acetone and a rag, so I think I cleaned it up pretty darn good. That wire wheel made short work of that crispy old glue. Get some acetone on there. I'm gonna go around and clean all the surfaces. Yeah, that's still taking some of the pink stuff off. I don't know what that was. Okay, we'll give it a few minutes for it to dry. See all the brown, I guess that's all the dirt that came out of there. So we'll let that dry a little bit. Where should I start? If it's going to leak, it's not going to leak in behind this thing. That's the front passenger. So I think I'm going to start there. So I got this off of Amazon, actually. I don't know if you can see that, if that's the number. I don't know if you guys want to do your own. But that's what I came up with. That's what they told me it would fit. So it would fit. It would work. Now, here's another problem. Oh, there you go. I figured my old eyes, you wouldn't be able to see that. Well, I did it. I got it on there. Okay, so we're going to put that out over here. Can you see me there? I don't know if you can see me, can you? So we're going to start in the middle here. Ooh, that's sticking good. Oh, my cable's in the way. I'm trying to push it into the corner as much as I can. Okay, get in here. Pull that off. There we go. Look at that. I figured I knew what I was doing. So there we go. There we go. Close her up. Let's see if I can see. Just don't want it to push off or anything. Oh, look. No jiggle jiggle. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, thanks for joining me. Like, comment, subscribe, and any questions, yeah, let me know. Okay, thank you.